Hello, we are students from Kebemer.
Climate change is a big problem around the world.
It affects our health, our land, and our future.
But we can do something, and we must. We believe that change starts with us. Factories and cars produce carbon dioxide. It goes into the air and traps heat from the sun. This is called the greenhouse effect. It makes the earth hotter, and that's climate change.
In Kebemer, we feel the heat. There is less rain. The land is dry. Farmers grow less food. Animals suffer. This is result of climate change. Fire makes carbon dioxide and is very dangerous for our health.
Plastic pollution is a big problem. Back and butter, black water and kill animals.
Burning plastic is even worse. It pollutes the air. We must reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Water is precious, but many people waste it. Let's save water. Close the tap and fix leaks. Every drop counts. We are not the ones who built the factories. We are not the ones who polluted the rivers, but we are the ones who will live with the consequences.
The future is not tomorrow. It began with us.
We are not too small to act. We are not young to care.
We are the generation of now. We are the present.
With our hands, we can plant hope.
With our voices, we can shake silence.
With our choices, we can change everything.
The earth is our home. Let's take care of it together.